Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. We're here as Group 5. We're going to present our presentation today about business plan on Chapter 8. So this is our group presentation by Group Jupiter. We're going to start by the definition first. And yeah, not forgetting our team that has created this presentation for. There are me, Kalita Nariskia, as the moderator, and then Wahyuni, Kirana Agusti, Ifun, Anissa Tika Irwan. Okay, the first topic we're going to talk about is definition of business plan. I've taken the definition from experts by His Rich Peter, stated that business plan is a written document prepared by the entrepreneur that describe all the relevant external and internal elements involved in starting a new venture. It is often an integration of functional plans such as marketing, finance, manufacturing, and human resources. Next, we're going to elaborate what's the definition more. So definition that already stated by experts implies that the meaning of business plan is a document provided by entrepreneur which contain narrative of details about past, present condition, and tendency of future from a business. The contents also include analysis of managerial, physical condition of construction, means that the physical condition of the building where the business we're going to conduct, and then workers or staffs, and then products, of course, source of capital, the source of funds, and information of how company works so far, and then last is market position of the company. So, in conclusion, business plan form the roadmap of plans that later will be followed by the entrepreneur itself. So every entrepreneur that will conduct their business will operate to get asset from investor by business plan for realistic consideration and to convince investor or funder. And then the next material will be explained by the next speaker.
Okay, I'm gonna continue the presentation. So, parts of a business plan. According to Yoshita, 2019, suggest parts of a business plan is as follows. The first one is opening. Opening on the plan or plan business, explain who wrote, when, and for what purpose. The second one is summary. Summary is provide a grid of plans plan your business. Write this section last after all parts are made. Third one is strategic overview. Strategic become the main objective and the main of activities of the plan, his business. What are the long-term goals? So the next one is product of or service offering. It is explained in detail in a short what makes your product different with others. So the next one is target market. Target market show who the target market is, will be target. So the 7 is marketing and sales strategy. What is your marketing and sales strategy? Will sell this product? How will it compete with your competitor in the same field? How much does it cost in the marketing and anything else? So the 8th one is technology. Technology provide everything related to it, technology and research in your business. And the next one is operational. Operation, how will the operation will be handled? How to run it? How much it costs and requires resource. And the 10 is financial projection. And also funding needs, and implementation. And the last one is conclusion. Conclusion give a reason why this business is going success and why it needs support. Thank you.
Okay, and in our business plan, we need to have vision and mission. Vision is the ideal that the business wants to achieve in the long term. That means what is be the business. And the mission means the method used by business to achieve their business vision. That means what, how to be a business. Next. Yes, we have SWOT analysis tool. S is strength. Strength is the characteristic of the business or project that gives it an advantage over others. W is weaknesses. Is characteristic that place the business or project at a disadvantage relative to others. O is opportunities. Is the elements in the environment that the business or project could exploit to its advantage. And the last is T is threats. Is the elements in the environment that would cause trouble for the business or project. Next. They have 7 P's marketing mix strategy. The one is price, place, promotion, process, product, people, and the last is physical evidence. Price is the strategy regarding how our products are more attractive to customers in terms of price. Is they are more attracted to products at lower price. In addition, in terms of price, we can differentiate our products based on unit price and wholesale price, payment terms and discounts. Place, where will you sell your product? The same market research that informed your product and price decision will inform your placement as well, which goes beyond physical location. For example, online shop, in-store or mobile, etc. The promotion strategy regarding how our products can be known by customer through promotion. For example, website, media, magazine, or television, etc. 4 is process. Process that is displayed to customers so that consumers are interested in buying. Process that can be displayed a good production process or service process for customers. And the 5 is product. The product strategy on how our business products can attract consumers to buy them. Our business products can be differentiated based on quality, size, design, packaging, and usability more than competitors. The 6 is people. People is a general human resources criteria that can increase product sales to consumer directly or indirectly. And the last is physical evidence. Physical evidence is how will our target customer experience the products. That's my presentation.
Okay, next we are talking about the purpose of business plan, because before we starting about a business, we have to make a series of careful planning. This plan is also known as business plan. And also, you cannot start a business without careful planning. Every plan carried out is a preparation of various steps so that the business can run well and avoid all the risks of failure. So these are the purpose of business plan. We can see for the first one is as a guide for entrepreneurs is carrying out for the business. And the second is the written assessment material. And the three is material for evaluating weakness in achievement. And the fourth one is as an outside guide in assessing our efforts. And the last one is as a basis for maximizing the resources that have been described. So these are, after we know how to make our business plan, this is why we have to make a purpose. First is as a guide. Of course, as a guide, we can know what is the weakness, what is the advantages from our business, and after we got that, we have to make that as written assessment so we can get what is evaluation we have to make in front of our time. And also, the material is for evaluating weakness in achievement, like I previously before. And then as an outside guide in assessing our efforts. And of course, the lastly is as a basis for maximizing the resources that have been described.
All right. The next one is business plan format. So for business plan format, there are two important points that you have to know. The first one is product aspect and money aspect. For the product aspect, it will be like the product characteristic, which is include the shapes, the color side. Meanwhile, the money aspect, it's like more than value of the benefit, like its benefit can be offered and provide to fulfill the main needs of the customer, or such as like a basic benefits and then expected benefits. All right, next slide, please. Okay, we come to production aspect. The production aspect, there are 3 points. The first one is product. So for product, we need to know the dimension of the products, the product value, and the function of the products. So meanwhile, for the production process, we need to know the useful of the product and the function of the product. There are customer products and industrial product, or namely the product. And then the capacity. For the capacity, we need to know how much the product that we should do production. Okay, next slide, please. So for money aspect, there are 2 points. The first one is business funding source strategy. So this one is support national development, is the available of intuition that have the function of collecting the product. And for financial prediction, this must be also be considered, such as the profit, the potential of the products, of how the owner get the profit, and then needs and other business feasibility calculation. All right, next slide, please. Okay, for the summary of this material is a business plan is a comprehensive written document that outlines a company's goals and the strategy it will be used to achieve these goals. It serves a roadmap for the business, providing a detailed overview of various aspects of the company's operation, finance, marketing, and overall business strategy. A well-structured business plan typically includes the following key components that I have been explained before. All right, I think that's all the material that we have to explain. Thank you so much for listening our material, and for any question, you can write down on the comment section. Thank you.